everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am basically bringing you a really short, sweet video, and I hope it's not pointless, but I'm basically bringing you another lip video today. I hope that this isn't too obvious or anything like that, but I just wanted to show you guys today what I do now when I do my lips and how I do them, and basically just what I do to make them look fuller but naturally. And I'm only using 2 products. My lip plumping video has nearly got 500,000 views now, which is insane, and you guys seem to love videos that I do that involve plumping lips or making my lips look bigger. I just think that it makes my lips look really nice and full, and I don't use any lip plumping products anymore, so this is all my natural lips. So if you like the sound of this video, please give it a like and make sure that you are subscribed with that notification bell on, because you don't want to miss out on any of my uploads. Without further ado, let's get into the demonstration. Okay, so I'm using a lip liner. This is from Kiko in the shade 533, and I also have 504, which I like to use to shade in and fill in a little bit sometimes. And I'm also using this. It's actually a lip balm from Lippy Ink, but the colour is amazing, so I love it. So I'm starting off by just drawing over my natural lip shape with the lip liner. I'm doing one side just so you can see the difference, and then I will start to slowly overdraw my lips, but I don't want to go too dramatic with it. I don't want to go too drastic because then it does look really fake, but I want this to look natural and full, as I said. I'm overlining them, and then I'm starting the contour. So I do a line down the middle, top and bottom, and then I do these little curves, which are like the contouring hacks, but make sure they are curved, these lines that you're doing on top and bottom. And then I'm filling in a little bit on the outer corner. As you get that like curved shape, as you can see, it just really adds that full effect and makes your bottom lip look nice and full and have that kind of like, yeah, like a juicy, full, plumped effect, like when I've used a lip plumper in the past, like a suction device. You've seen that video. If you know, you know. Then I'm putting the lip gloss on top, and this gloss just really helps with that juicy shine, and also just overlining a little bit more. And then sometimes I do use the other colour to add a little more fullness, and then I've done the other side for you, and that is literally it. So simple, but works a treat every time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this short, sharp, little hack video on how I basically make my lips look naturally fuller, and I hope that you guys can use this too. And it's not rocket science. There's going to be other videos on how to do this. I initially got the trick from TikTok. I've just adapted it in my own way really, and I really hope you like it. It's what I do every time. I think it looks natural when I smile, as well as when I just have my lips relaxed. This is my last video of the year, so thank you so much for all of your support over 2020. It's been a weird roller coaster of a year, and I just want to thank you so much for your support over the year. It's been amazing. Whatever you are doing for New Year's Eve, please just stay safe. Make sure you're doing everything within the guidelines. Even if it is going to be different to previous years, you can make it fun in your own way. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a like if you liked it, and make sure you are subscribed with that notification bell on, because I upload twice a week and you don't want to miss out on any of my uploads. And I'm also going to start streaming more next year. I just want to get my sound sorted basically. I hope you stay safe, stay healthy, have a fabulous New Year's Eve, and I will see you in my next one next year. Bye!